Hi, it's Daddy and
Dhillon.
Dylan. All right, and we're making a lemon drizzle cake today. And who are we making a lemon drizzle cake for?
Grandad.
Granddad and
Granny.
Grandad and Granny. So we're going to start with 225 grams of caster sugar.
Lemon?
Not just yet. So this needs to go to 225, okay? You tell me when it's on 225.
225.
That's not 225. Don't push the button. 225? No, not yet. Spot on, 225.
I saw it.
I lose, okay. Right, let's just put that out of the way. And 225 of, right. We'll add 225 grams of unsalted butter. Yeah, should we turn it on?
Yeah.
That's the lock button. Don't. And we just mix this up. We just leave that going.
I need my recording.
Right, next we're going to take 4 eggs, laid this morning as well. So fresh from the chickens outside this morning. Little bits of sawdust on them.
Sneaky Sasquatch and please.
I'm not sure you're helping. Are you helping?
Yes.
Okay.
Why did you move the tunnel?
Let's turn this off for a second.
You moved the tunnel.
I moved the tunnel.
Because we need to keep the tunnel.
One.
Count to 100.
Well, we only need 4.
1, 2, 100. Yeah, we need that much.
2.
This is
Excuse me?
That's 3 and that's 100.
All right.
Do the 100 one too.
In a minute. 3.
Say the 100 too. Say 100. This will be the 100.
100.
Yay!
So that's going to look a little bit runny and a little bit like scrambled eggs, but that's fine. That's going to come back together, no problem, once we add the flour. So as we've only got plain flour, we're going to add some baking powder to it to get that rise. So 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Just mix that into the flour. Then like that. Yeah. Whoa! There we go.
That was funny.
Yeah.
Take 100.
Dylan, can you get me a bowl?
Okay.
Perfect. Put it on the counter. Gently. That's it. Perfect. Stop. Stop. Then just turn the lemon like that.
Okay.
And then do it again. Can you smell that?
Yeah.
What does it smell like?
It's lemon.
Lemon. Very good. Right, let Daddy do the rest of that.
Okay. Honestly. How dare you?
How dare I?
Yeah. How do you do that?
How's he going to make a lemon drizzle cake without some lemon?
Walk.
Right.
Ah, this is so yummy. Now pull in, Daddy.
Yes. Hold it there. Perfect. Maybe one down a bit.
Whoa.
Right, hold this tin steady.
Can I taste one?
I think you've tasted it already.
Can I just taste the last one? This is just the last one.
Yeah, hold on.
It's so healthy for this.
Really?
Yes.
I'm not sure it's healthy, dude.
Yes, it is.
Oh, really?
Yes, so yummy. I love this.
Oh, it's definitely yummy. I'm not sure it's healthy. No, 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 no. Oi. Stop eating the batter.
It's so tasty
I know.
and healthy.
Not so much.
Yes.
I mean, no.
Yes. I said yes.
I know you said yes, but I'm saying no.
So I say yes.
But it's not that healthy.
Yes, it is.
But it's yummy.
But it's healthy.
Why do you think it's healthy? What's it got in it that's healthy?
Lemon is healthy.
Lemon is healthy.
Yeah.
Not in a cake.
Now can I go back to Sneaky Sasquatch?
Yes. Hi, right, we've had a little wash and a tidy, and the cake's in the oven. We're going to make the drizzle. So, Dhillon, say hi.
Hi.
I need 85 of this, right? So take the spoon out.
Hi.
Right, that's 0. You need to scoop the sugar into here. Now use the spoon. Scoop. Can you scoop?
What? How much?
That needs to say 85.
Okay, 85.
Okay?
No.
20. While he is getting me 85 grams of sugar, I'm going to juice some lemons. Yeah. Keep going, Dills. You're good.
Hey, we've gone across from 85.
44. You need to keep going. You need about the same again.
We've gone across from
No.
8.
Nearly there. That's 62. Keep going. Tip all of that in. 6 more grams. So you need to do little bits now. Little bits. So I'm using 2 lemons because they're pretty small lemons. A bit more. How have you gone backwards? I'm sure that was 79. You know what? Let's just use another half. They're pretty small. 5 more grams, Dills.
Okay, a big one?
Not really. Little, please. There we go. That'll do. Right, what we're going to do, we're going to take the lemon juice, put the lemon juice into the sugar.
Yeah.
All right?
And now we put it back on.
And then we're just going to stir this.
I'm getting 106.
So that's actually a little bit tart. And that's ready to pour over the cake when the cake comes out the oven in about 10 to 15 minutes.
Okay. More sugar.
Rookie mistake, took the cake out before it was fully done, plumped it down and it's sunk in the middle. But this is not about perfection, it's about taste. So we crack on. What I'm going to do is poke some holes in this so the syrup goes into the middle. Put it on over a baking tray. So yeah, so pulled a bit in the middle, which we can just take out. So no eating this tonight. Why are we not eating this today, Dhillon? Who's coming tomorrow?
Granny and Grandad.
Correct. We'll see how it tastes tomorrow. Someone told me my last video ended really abruptly, so for this one, I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like, leave a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.